we had a very good quarter, the first quarter of 2020, with 9 billion rubles of net profit, which is 26% up on last year's first quarter, and giving us an ROE of 37.5%. So still a very healthy ROE. But what we did was reduce basically our net income by almost 6 billion rubles by creating very hefty provisions. So we see that there are probably some bumps in the road ahead. So to be extra prudent, we've created lots of provisions in the first quarter, and our profit enabled us to do so. So we see some bumps. Those bumps are probably going to be related to the fact that there's uncertainty as to what happens once lockdown is loosened. And obviously this is a problem that we're seeing the world over. We're not sure what's going to happen to consumers who are our borrowers, as well as our transactional customers, as they come out of lockdown, what's going to be happening in the underlying economy. So we're taking a fairly prudent stance. But there's lots of good news. So if you think of Tinkoff in general, we're basically a group, as you said, a financial lifestyle ecosystem with lots of different services, basically the companies in the group built in. And we offer all of these different services through our super app to our customers. We have around 11 million customers. So the fact that we're an online company, or online group of companies to be precise, means that we can continue to operate. We're actually thriving in this lockdown environment because we do everything online. So this is our natural home. People spending more time at home, spending more time in their apps, more access to online services, more time to do that, more interest, if you like, means that we're actually able to sell a lot more services at them. So if we're taking a more cautious stance on our consumer lending lines, as you'd expect at the moment, until we understand how the situation is going to pan out, on our transactional businesses, we're absolutely on fire. So our consumer current account, Tinkoff Black, which is a mobile app and a virtual and physical debit card, we actually booked 1 million new customers in the first few months of the year, and that's accelerating the number of accounts that we're booking. So we're one of Russia's now leading providers of current accounts through the mobile app. In terms of Tinkoff Investments, which is our online brokerage business, if you think of a mobile app a little bit like a Robinhood, only better in Russia, that is going into outer space at the moment. So we're now #1 in terms of active accounts in Russia. And we booked 600,000 new brokerage accounts since the beginning of the year. And the same is happening across lots of our transactional businesses. So it's a mixed picture. But in terms of the opportunity to grow for an online company which has the right model and the right distribution, this is a brilliant time.